Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cake mix in slap battles. This special ingredient is key to unlocking a unique item and badge. The process involves a few distinct steps, starting with acquiring a particular glove. We will guide you through finding the cake mix, using a friend's help, and finally claiming your reward. It's a fun and collaborative challenge that adds an exciting layer to your gameplay experience. Your journey begins by acquiring the Alchemist Glove. To unlock this, you must successfully eliminate 10 opponents using the Plague Glove's unique ability. Once you have the Alchemist Glove equipped, you'll be able to spot various ingredients scattered across the map. Keep an eye out for a small brown bag, as this is the elusive cake mix you are searching for to continue your quest. After finding the cake mix, you'll need a friend with the Oven Glove. This glove requires 31,000 slaps to unlock, so it's quite an achievement. Your friend will place an oven, and while holding the cake mix, you must step inside. After a brief cooking time, you will be launched out, and your cake mix will magically transform into a delicious birthday cake, ready for the final step. Congratulations! Once you emerge from the oven, your cake mix will have successfully transformed into a birthday cake. The final and most satisfying step is to simply eat this cake. Consuming the birthday cake will instantly grant you the prestigious Easy as Pie badge, a testament to your culinary and combat skills. Additionally, you will unlock the exciting Firework Glove, adding a new explosive ability to your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.